This must be a kid's dream. Now, look at these. These are made of chew pup juice. And apparently, when you chew them, it's cotton candy, and when you eat all of them, it turns to this gum. And I actually tried this in the Philippines with the strawberry flavored one, and it's actually quite tasty. Also, it's very interesting, and I really like the taste of these because cotton candy and bubblegum is one of the kids' most favorite things ever. And turns out there are a lot of versions. I only thought there was, strawberry, but there are Tutti Frutti, some watermelon, and a lot. So these don't sell in Korea from what I know, and I have some safety concerns. I'll tell you after the video, but after this, but I mean, this looks so intriguing. First, when I saw it, oh, I need to have one of these. They're not cheap, but I mean, they're tasty, and they're also expensive and not tasty, then you wouldn't buy it. But since they aren't tasty, well, you would sometimes, of course. And uh, interestingly, they have an 11 gram, which is weird. Not 10 grams, just 11. But anyway, uh, and I actually love this, and I think they're made by a company, not Chupa Juice, other company. I think it's, oh yeah, it says halal. I don't really know if this is just anything that's called Indonesia, so yeah. I'm thinking, oh, okay, so I think this is the company that makes these. I think they OEM'd it. This is very tasty. I'll show you how it's in the inside. I just need to rip this open, which is actually, you can just rip it open by your hands. And you might be a bit not liking this shape, but this is how it's shaped. It's just a piece of cotton candy that is pushed together. It has a lot of layers, and between these layers there are these, the gum. And when you chew it with water, it gets into like a gummy texture, and then it becomes a gum. This is the exact same thing inside. And I really like this, but there is the safety concern I told you about. Since you like to just swallow it and let it melt, like not in your tongue. That's the problem, because if you just swallow it like your normal cotton candy, and if you just swallow it before all of them melt, then you're also swallowing the gum as well. So eating gum is not good since it's plastic. So this is the safety concern. I'm thinking this is why this can't come in Korea. However, it's very tasty. So if you just don't chew it up and eat it before this doesn't melt, I'm thinking this is actually quite a good product, and I really like this. I'll give it a 4.5 out of 5. I wish they would also have some more flavors that I would kind of like, not that only that. And I also think that there's a bit of unusual flavor to start with this, but I guess it is what it is, and I'll just taste it right now. Definitely chewy. One thing that you sacrifice a bit is that this gum plus cotton candy melts immediately, and then it turns into gum, so it's not that it just loses all of its things and goes into your mouth and over into your stomach. It's not that feeling. You sacrifice that feeling, but you can, when you're chewing that gum, you can feel the, let's say, sugar inside the gum, literally, because this is made of sugar. It's yummy, and that's what matters. It's really good. I'll give it 4.5 out of 10. They also have a lot of these flavors, so I suggest you try that once in a lifetime. I really miss these ones. I only ate one in Philippines. Yeah. And that's for today, and bye.